Investing can feel intimidating, especially if you're just getting started or if you're managing a family's finances. But the truth is, investing doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, it can be one of the most powerful ways to grow your savings over time. Whether you're saving for college, retirement, or just for future security, taking steps today to invest for tomorrow can provide your family with greater financial stability and peace of mind. The key to successful investing, especially for beginners, is understanding that it doesn't have to be complex. In fact, there are several simple and family-friendly investment options that are accessible to almost anyone, regardless of their current financial situation. Today, I want to walk you through some of those options, discuss the benefits they offer, and explain how you can start growing your savings in a way that works for you and your family. To start, let's talk about why investing is so important. If you're simply saving your money in a traditional savings account, you're missing out on one of the key ways that wealth can grow over time through compound interest. While savings accounts are safe, they usually don't earn much in interest. That means your money isn't working as hard for you as it could be. On the other hand, when you invest, your money has the potential to earn higher returns over time. The first investment option I want to talk about is one of the most straightforward and beginner-friendly index funds. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that tracks a broad market index, like the S&P. Essentially, when you invest in an index fund, you're buying a small portion of a large number of companies all at once. This provides you with built-in diversification, which is one of the key principles of investing. Diversification helps reduce risk by spreading your money across different sectors of the economy. So even if one company or industry performs poorly, the overall fund may still perform well. Index funds are an excellent option for beginners because they are low cost, relatively safe, and have a track record of delivering strong long-term growth. Another family-friendly investment to consider is a 52-9 college savings plan. If you have young children or plan to send your kids to college, a 59 plan can be an incredibly useful tool for growing your savings over time. This plan allows you to invest money tax-free, and the funds can be withdrawn tax-free as long as they are used for qualifying education expenses. Not only can this help you save for tuition, but it can also reduce the financial burden of higher education when the time comes. Plus, many states offer tax incentives for contributing to a 529 plan, which is a nice bonus. For families who are saving for retirement, a Roth IRA is another excellent option. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows your money to grow tax-free. Unlike traditional IRAs, where you pay taxes when you withdraw the money, with a Roth IRA, you pay taxes up front and your earnings grow without being taxed when you retire. The beauty of a Roth IRA is that it gives you flexibility. You can withdraw your contributions, but not your earnings at any time without penalties, which can make it a great emergency fund option in addition to a retirement tool. Families who are just starting out in their careers or managing a household often benefit from the long-term advantages of a Roth IRA, as it allows you to start small and grow your retirement savings over decades. Another way to invest for the future is through real estate. While buying property may seem like a big step, real estate can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. For families, one of the easiest ways to get into real estate is by purchasing a home. Not only do you build equity as you pay down the mortgage, but the property itself can increase in value over time. If you're in a position to buy a home, this is often one of the most reliable ways to invest for your family's future. And if you can afford it, investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs can provide additional opportunities to generate passive income and grow your savings. One of the most important factors to remember when you begin investing, especially as a family, is the power of starting early. Time is one of the most important components in building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. This is why it's essential to create a financial plan that includes investing as early as possible, even if you can only start with small contributions. For families, this might mean setting aside a portion of your monthly income to invest in a retirement account, an index fund, or even small amounts add up over time and can have a huge impact on your financial future. However, investing is not without risks, and it's important to be aware of those risks and make decisions based on your family's risk tolerance and financial goals. One of the best ways to approach investing is with a long-term mindset. The market may go up and down in the short term, but over time, it has generally trended upward. Therefore, staying invested even during market downturns is often the best strategy for long-term growth. It's also essential to educate yourself and take advantage of the many resources available to you. There are countless books, blogs, podcasts, and online courses that can help you learn about personal finance and investing. Many of these resources are specifically tailored to beginners and families, so they can help you take the first step in making informed decisions about your finances. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if you're feeling uncertain. They can help you create an investment strategy that aligns with your family's goals. And remember, you don't have to be an expert to get started. The important thing is to take action. Even if you can only invest a small amount at first, you'll be building a habit that can lead to greater financial security for you and your family in the future. It's all about consistency. The more you invest over time, the more you'll benefit from the power of compound growth. In conclusion, investing is a critical step in growing your savings and securing your family's financial future. Whether you're investing in index funds, 509 plans, Roth IRAs, or real estate, there are family-friendly options available that don't require a lot of money to get started. The key is to begin as early as possible to make informed decisions and to stay focused on your long-term financial goals. As you take those first steps into the world of investing, remember that even small amounts invested consistently can grow into significant savings over time. The future is bright, and with the right strategies, you can feel confident that your family will be financially secure for years to come. Starting early and consistently investing is one of the most powerful strategies for building wealth over time. When you invest early, you give your money more time to grow, and this is where the magic of compound interest comes into play. Compound interest means that not only do you earn interest on the money you initially invested, but you also earn interest on the interest that accumulates. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, where the value of your investments grows exponentially. One of the most significant advantages of starting early is the ability to take advantage of this compounding effect for many years. Even small, regular contributions, such as setting aside a small percentage of your income each month, can add up to a significant sum in the long run. The key is to stay consistent. It's not about investing large sums all at once. It's about building a habit of regularly contributing to your investments, no matter how small the amount may seem at first. For example, if you invest $100 a month into a retirement account or index fund, over time, that consistent contribution can grow significantly, especially if you allow it to compound over decades. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to contribute each month to reach your long-term goals, because the power of compounding will do much of the heavy lifting. The later you start, the more you'll need to invest to catch up. In short, starting early and making consistent contributions is key to growing your wealth. By adopting a long-term perspective, you can give your money the time it needs to work for you, helping to secure your financial future and providing greater peace of mind for you and your family. Choosing family-friendly investment options is an essential step for beginners who want to grow their savings in a safe, structured, and manageable way. When you're investing as a family, it's important to pick options that are easy to understand, affordable to maintain, and aligned with your long-term goals. Index funds are one of the best choices for beginners because they offer instant diversification. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, an index fund spreads your investment across many companies, lowering risk while still allowing your money to grow over time. They also tend to have low fees, which means more of your money stays invested rather than going toward management costs. Another powerful family-friendly option is a FEFT9 college savings plan. For families with children, this plan makes saving for education more manageable and less stressful. The money you invest in a FEFT9 plan grows tax-free, and as long as it's used for qualified education expenses, withdrawals are also tax-free. This can significantly reduce the financial burden of college when the time comes. Many states also offer tax incentives for contributing to a FEFT9 plan, giving families an additional reason to start early and contribute regularly. For those focused on long-term financial security, a Roth IRA is another excellent investment tool. A Roth IRA allows your money to grow tax-free, and you won't owe taxes when you withdraw the funds in retirement. This can be especially beneficial for younger families who may be in a lower tax bracket now and want to take advantage of tax-free growth in the future. Roth IRAs also offer flexibility since you can withdraw your contributions at any time without penalties, making them useful for both retirement planning and unexpected financial needs. Overall, family-friendly investment options provide a simple and effective way to build wealth while keeping your financial goals in focus. By choosing accessible and tax-advantaged tools like index funds, 529 plans, and Roth IRAs, families can grow their savings confidently and steadily over time. Focusing on education and risk management is crucial when it comes to making smart investment decisions, especially for families who are just starting their financial journey. One of the first steps in becoming a successful investor is to educate yourself about the different investment options available. The world of investing can seem complex, but the more you learn about how different assets such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds work, the more confident and capable you'll become in making decisions. There are many resources available to help you, from books and online articles to podcasts and financial courses. It's important to start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge so that you can make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Another key aspect of successful investing is understanding your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to how much risk you are willing to take with your investments based on your financial situation and long-term objectives. Families, in particular, need to strike a balance between taking enough risk to grow their savings and protecting their investments from unnecessary losses. While higher risk investments like individual stocks or certain types of real estate may offer higher potential returns, they also come with greater potential for loss, especially in the short term. On the other hand, low-risk investments like bonds or index funds tend to offer steadier, though sometimes slower growth. For families, especially beginners, starting with simpler, low-risk investments can help build confidence while minimizing the risk of losing money in the early stages. By focusing on education and understanding risk management, families can gradually increase their investment knowledge and make choices that are aligned with their comfort level and financial goals. As your confidence grows, you can adjust your investment strategy to take on slightly more risk when you feel ready, knowing that you've laid a solid foundation for long-term financial security. By starting slow and smart, you can avoid costly mistakes while building a path toward financial stability and wealth.